Are you okay? You fell? Lakini hujaumia? Okay. Pole. Nafanya? Unataka kuwa kwa video? Sema kitu. Encourage cyclists.
Very excited.
Very exciting. How long have you been cycling?
Around 5 weeks.
Ah, okay.
Every day.
Is this your new bike?
Yeah, it's my new bike.
Wow, tell me about it.
We bought it from, it was a second hand actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these days they make from aluminium and this is pure steel.
Ah.
It won't break.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, where did you get it?
Yeah, from a local biking shop.
The one up there?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So you know Chris and Moses?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They actually made my puncture yesterday. They gave me a new tube.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah, that's a new one.
Wow. Now you are ready for Kilaleshwa roads.
Yeah.
So where do you normally cycle?
We come down this hill and then start climbing here. Then we want to go down that one and then come back again.
Wow. And you live just around here?
Yeah, it's not far.
And what about him?
He's also my neighbor.
He's your neighbor?
Yeah.
And he cycles without a brake?
Yeah.
How long have you cycled this one?
But this bike, it is not mine.
Oh, okay.
It was for my brother.
Yeah.
He gave me and bought a mountain bike.
Yeah.
He gave me this one.
Wow. But then it's yours because your brother gave you.
Yes.
Now it's yours.
Yes. Now you see the light and that's the brakes. I fell down when I was riding me with my brother.
Yeah.
The brakes.
And are you going to put brakes anytime
Yes.
soon?
Yes.
Ah, okay. You need it soon.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, nice. So my name is Moses Amira, Amira. It's the screen protector.
Yeah.
I thought it's you who has fallen so many times and cracked it.
Yeah, it's the screen protector. Yeah.
How do you know it's me? Yes, that's me. And what's your name?
Julius.
Julius.
Yeah.
You can write me a message on any post and then I will then we will exchange contacts.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see even your video right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a helmet first.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? Merchant. Hi, merchant. Okay, interesting. Hey, you guys are fast, eh? You are used to these hills. So how do you stop when you are braking if you don't have brakes? How do you stop if you don't have brakes? Oh, it's a back breaker. Okay. Julius, you're done. This one is easy for you. You just reach the top. You also can tell her you met a cyclist?
Yeah.
And he was saying you need a helmet.
Yeah.
Are you giving me another?
Yeah. I can give Julius and then he will also share with you. That's okay?
When it reaches here,
Yeah?
we always do our trick.
Yeah. What's the trick? Wow. Wow.
When it reaches where I put the fire.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, usually I cycle with 4 if it's a flat road.
Yeah.
It's easier.
You cycle with 4.
Yeah.
But 5 is harder.
Yeah.
So you like to cycle harder here?
Yeah, on the hill.
Wow. Most of us do it the other way around. We put easier on the hill.